introduce yourself and your company?
My name's David Moss. I'm one of the service sales managers for Moventas Gears.
And explain what Moventas do.
Moventas is a gear manufacturing company. We manufacture gears for the wind turbine market and for the industrial market, such as pulp and paper, mining, aggregates industries, marine.
Is there anything about Moventas' gear motors that are particularly unique?
I think we all manufacture to standards. What I think sets Moventas aside from other manufacturers is the high quality and the longevity of the gears that they manufacture.
So typically an installation will last for how much longer than a competitor and will be how much more efficient?
That's a very difficult question to say, to give an answer to. Almost impossible, I would say.
Okay, sorry.
But it is.
That's fine, don't worry. So which sectors are you particularly targeting your sort of latest range of gearboxes at?
Well, working for the wind gear division as I do, our market is the wind turbine gear market. So we deal with the major wind turbine OEM companies like Vestas, GE, Repower, etc. And our target market for the future is the multi-megawatts class turbine.
Do you currently produce gearboxes for that class, or is that something you're looking to develop?
We currently produce gearboxes anything from 500 kilowatts up to 5 megawatts. But the future we are looking at beyond 5 megawatts, 7 megawatts potentially, with the new fusion drive technology being developed in partnership with the Switch in Finland and Moventas.
Can you explain what fusion technology is?
The fusion drive is a hybrid concept where the wind turbine gearbox and the permanent magnet generator are all housed together in the same unit. So there's none of the conventional drivetrain weaknesses, if you like, associated with gear and generator technology.
And that makes for a more efficient and more reliable drive?
It certainly makes for a more reliable drive. Efficiency is very, very high. The major advantage is in size and weight within the nacelle and serviceability. The fusion drive, especially when applied to offshore industry, will allow total serviceability of the gearbox and the generator inside the nacelle. That does away with the need for heavy lift vessels and heavy lift cranes, removing a complete nacelle or a complete gearbox from the turbine.
Fantastic. Where do you see the company going in the next 3 to 5 years?
Certainly with the fusion drive, the first 2 fusion drives will be installed in the early part of next year, and then through 2013 and into 2014 serious testing will take place in the field. Fusion drive technology then will represent a large part of our future from 2014 onwards for new manufacture of gears. As regards service, the department I work for, the installed base of turbines is ever increasing, and the turbines coming out of warranty is ever increasing. So service will become a much larger part of our global business, and we will globalize in a local fashion, in that we will have service centers in maybe by 2015 in 30 countries around the world.
So at the moment, what proportion of your business is new installation and what proportion is based on maintenance and service, and how will that change?
Currently, the business is about 50-50 between service and new orders. The new orders will pick up again in the end of 2013 and into 2014, but also the business of service will continue to increase. The two business models working side by side effectively hold up the same roof that we all shelter under. So both will develop and grow rapidly in the next 2 to 3 years.
And finally, what does Moventas need to take it forward?
What does it need to take us forward? An open mind to customer requirements, Customers, obviously. Without a customer, we have nothing. So the customer base to us is the most important thing. Other than that, if we have good customers and we react in the right way, that's all we need.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.